Jai Sriman-Narayana. Fourth sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Dambho Darpobhimanascha Krodhaha Parushyameva अज्ञानञ्च अभिजातस्य पार्थ सम्पदम् आसुरीम् ॐ Get rid of these qualities. The qualities are false pride, arrogance, conceit, anger, rudeness, and ignorance. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall consciously make every attempt to get rid of the bad qualities like pride, arrogance, conceit, anger, rudeness, and ignorance. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta-krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham, 10th Skandham, 312th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, only Kaliya knows about the curse which is given by Saubhari Maharshi to Garutman. That is why Kaliya came down to this Yamuna river, started making his stay ever since then. Now, because Krishna gave a word that nothing will happen, Garutman won't torture you anymore. That is why now Kaliya left this Yamuna river and went back to his original place. After that, Krishna Paramatma, Drivya Saggandhavasasam Mahamani Ganakirnam Jambunada Parishkrutam. Krishna Paramatma, the one who is wearing beautiful, fragranceful garlands. Krishna Paramatma, who is wearing beautiful garments. Krishna Paramatma, the one who is wearing so many ornaments. Such Krishna Paramatma came out from that pond in Yamuna river. Then Madugu Vedali Vachina Madhavungani Yashodarohini Sametalaina Gopikalunu Nanda Sunandadulaina Gopakulunu Murchalambasi Teri Tepparili Lechi Paramanandambulan Pondiri Balabhadrundu Tammuni Alingana Muchesin. When Krishna Paramatma came out of that pond, all the Gopikas, Gopala's cows, Yashoda, Rohini, all of them at once came out from their unconsciousness and came into active mode, and again immediately took Sri Krishna Paramatma and hugged him to their heart. After that, Ramascha Achyutamalingya Premnatam Ankam Aropya Punah Punaha Udaikshata. Balarama also gave hug to Krishna Paramatma, had Krishna Paramatma sit on his lap, and Balarama started staring at Krishna Paramatma's beautiful, divine, glowing face again and again. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 4th sloka. Dambho darpo bhimanascha krodha parushyame ajnanancha bhijatasya pardha sampadamasurim. Dambho darpo bhimanascha krodha parushyame ajnanancha bhijatasya pardha sampadamasurim. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.